Did you enroll in Medicare Part A, but you delayed Medicare Part B because you were still working? Now you're leaving your job and you're like, how do I apply for Medicare? There are 2 forms that you need to complete this process. In this video, I'm going to show you how you simply do that. I will also leave a link in the description of this video so that way you can access these 2 forms. So let's get started. So I'm going to hop into my computer and show you the 2 forms that you need to go ahead and apply for Medicare Part B if you already have Medicare Part A. Let's get to it. So the first form that you need is called CMS 40B. This is your application for enrollment in Medicare Part B, which is your medical insurance. You're going to go ahead and add or type in or write in your Medicare number. You're going to add your name, your last name, your mailing address, and then it's going to ask you a few questions about your employment. You're going to answer these questions. And if you have any remarks that you want to add, such as I want my Part B to start on such and such month or date, you could go ahead and add that as well. You need to go ahead and sign this form. If you have a witness, you can use a witness. You do not need to have a witness. The next form you need to fill out is called CMS L564. This is request for employment information. So let's talk about it. So the next form is very important for you to fill out. You need to show proof that you actually had employer's health insurance coverage. So I'm going to show you how to fill this out. You also need to take this form to your HR department to fill out their section as well. So let's hop back into the computer and let's fill out this form. Okay, so the request for employment information, Section A, is to be completed by you, the individual that's signing up for Medicare Part B. You're going to put your employer's name, your employer's address, and you're going to put your name, which is the applicant, and your social security number as well. And you're going to put the employee's name. So if you're getting health insurance through your spouse is the employee, and you're going to put your employee's social security number as well. So Section A is to be completed by you. Section B is to be completed by your employer. So your employer will fill out this section, and it's going to give the dates that you had insurance through that employer. This is very important because you have to show proof, like I said, that you did have health insurance. Your employer is going to sign this as well. And you can also look at these steps on how to fill out the form. All of the information would be in the description of this video, so check out the links below. Now that you have these 2 forms completed, it's very important to take the forms to your local Social Security office. You can also fax this form as well. It usually takes 4 to 6 weeks for Medicare to process your application. You should get a new card in the mail with your new Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B dates. So it's going to have the new Part B dates, have the original Medicare Part A dates, and get off of your employer's coverage if you're still working, or if you're completely retiring, then it's time for you to join the Medicare family. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything relating to this video, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you need any assistance with any of these services that my office provides, which is Medicare insurance and Marketplace health insurance, give our office a call. We'd be more than happy to assist. Please like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.